Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix the Instagram login error. So now we will update our Instagram. The Instagram has been updated. So now after updating our Instagram, we have to go on the settings menu. So now I will go to my settings menu. Now in the settings menu, we have to go to the app management, and now the app settings. We have to type Instagram on the search bar. Now we have to click clear storage and clear data. Now after this step we have to click on force stop the Instagram application. Now after this we have to uninstall the Instagram application. Now after uninstalling our Instagram application, we have to go on Play Store. Now we have to go on the Super VPN, and after installing the VPN, we will have to connect the VPN to the United States of America. Confirm, allow. Now after this we have to connect our Android phone to our to USA. Now we have to go on Instagram, and now we have to log in again our side. Now after these all three steps, our Instagram has been logged in. So this is the video of like 2 minutes 4 seconds. So now our Instagram login error has been solved. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye.